My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the fake human verification alerts that are related to the site newstefuse.com. Newstefuse.com is a malicious site. It attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to mislead users and to make them click on this allow button, supposedly to help them prove that they are humans and not robots. But if this allow button is mistakenly clicked, the browser gets hijacked and infected with multiple advertisements that would keep attacking the screen in the form of repeated web push notifications. If you've mistakenly clicked on allow, be sure to fix your browser by accessing the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications, and then pay attention to all these websites that are allowed to send notifications. You now need to remove these junk sites if you find them on the list. So carefully, one by one, get rid of them. By the way, there is a program that can help you do that automatically. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and once the program is successfully installed, start carefully investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all other sorts of threats which could possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.